I'm an open web evangelist for HTML5hub.com. It's sponsored by Intel. We're trying to gather the common man's voice about what's happening with the open web platform. This is the Museum of Mario. It's an interactive history of Mario, over 30 years worth of his history. But we wanted to show Mario's evolution over those years across all the different platforms that Nintendo's come out with over the years. So we used HTML5, we used JavaScript, we used CSS to really create an immersive experience where the words aren't the important part, it's the Mario world that you're part of that's so important. This was the 3D era. So the first we saw was Super Mario 64 in the 3D era. And this was like the first time that it wasn't just like a platformer that you just kind of went along to finish a level. It was like freeform. You just went all over this 3D world exploring. And the way you got to different parts was you would jump into this picture for that new world and it would do this like 3D transform effect. So we wanted to honor that. So HTML5 was critical to us achieving our goal of truly cross-platform delivery of the same experience. People are seeing things through their phones and their tablets, and so we really wanted a technology that we could deliver the same code and the same experience to all those platforms. And we pushed the limits of HTML5. We didn't want people waiting for minutes on end to load something up on a mobile device. So we made a lot of trade-offs and subtle user experience things to make sure that the experience was both immersive but also loaded quickly. That was probably the biggest challenge.
How did you get the ripple effect? And
so
this is still HTML5.
This is all HTML5. This is all being drawn with Canvas, and so this image is something that we can modify the pixel of the image. It's been incredible to watch. I've been blown away by the amount of traffic on Facebook and Google Plus and Twitter. People just really excited about not just the fact that we decided to honor Mario, because that's a big thing, but also that we showed them how we can push this technology in a really new way. And I think one of the coolest parts is that with this code now open sourced, hopefully we've inspired a whole generation of developers to help come and make this even better.